doing another experiment on air pressure. We need an egg, lid candle, glass bottle, paper. Step 1. Put egg inside glass bottle mouth. It does not go inside the bottle easily. Step 2. Burn same paper from candle and put it inside glass bottle and on top again put egg.
Magic! Observation.
Egg goes inside bottle eventually. It happens because of a difference in air pressure inside and outside the bottle.
Please like and subscribe to our channel Little Scientist at Work.
Thank you.